Hey everyone! Looking to build a powerhouse PC that's future ready? Then stay tuned because today we're taking an in-depth look at the GIGABYTE Z890 AORUS Elite WIFI7, a motherboard that's packed with features to take your gaming, streaming, and multitasking to the next level. Let's start with the design. The AORUS Elite has a clean and modern aesthetic, with a matte black PCB and sleek gray accents. For those of you who love a bit of flair, it's got fully customizable RGB lighting that syncs with your other peripherals. It strikes the perfect balance between subtle and bold, and the premium build quality really stands out. Now let's talk about performance. This motherboard is built for Intel's 14th Gen Core Ultra processors, using the new LGA 1851 socket. It supports up to 256GB of DDR5 RAM, with speeds hitting a whopping 8800 MTS. That's insane bandwidth, perfect for high-performance gaming or heavy multitasking like video editing. When it comes to expandability, GIGABYTE didn't cut corners. The PCIe 5.0x16 slot is perfect for the latest GPUs, offering maximum performance for gaming and 3D rendering. Plus, you get 4 M2 slots, including one for Gen 5 SSDs. This means lightning-fast load times for your games and apps, and installation is super simple thanks to the tool-free M2 latches. On to connectivity, the onboard WiFi7 ensures ultra-fast and stable wireless speeds, ideal for streaming or downloading large files. Prefer wired connections? The 2.5GB LAN gives you a smooth and lag-free experience. And for those with tons of peripherals, the variety of USB ports, including Thunderbolt 4 and USB 3.2 Type-C, has got you covered. Finally, the audio setup. It comes with high-quality capacitors and an optical out for clear, immersive sound. Whether you're gaming or watching movies, the audio experience will not disappoint. Now let's discuss pricing. The AORUS Elite is available for around $270, making it a competitive choice in the mid-range motherboard market. Considering the features and performance it offers, it provides solid value for your investment. If you're interested in this motherboard, be sure to check out the links in the video description for the latest deals and availability. So what are the pros and cons of the AORUS Elite? Cons: only one PCIe slot for GPUs, others are PCIe 4.0. Limited onboard RGB zones for heavy customization enthusiasts. Pros: robust build quality with premium design. Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5GB LAN for top-tier connectivity. 4 M2 slots with Gen 5 SSD support. Supports up to 256GB DDR5 RAM with blazing speeds. Thunderbolt 4 and plenty of USB options. The GIGABYTE AORUS Elite is a fantastic motherboard for gamers, creators, or anyone who wants a future-ready PC. It's packed with features, delivers exceptional performance, and has great connectivity options. If you're ready to take your build to the next level, don't forget to check out the links in the description. And hey, if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.